Hi everyone. I'm trying not to let it go to a long period of time in my videos, you know. I was like, okay, me and my friend is going to be going out for pizza at the grocery store because they have pizza, and we're gonna be going at 4:30. It is 3:23 right now as I'm recording this. So I told my friend, excuse me, I'm gonna go down to the car. So I'm in the car and record a YouTube video before we head out. He's like, I didn't even know it was after 3 o'clock. Yeah. But anywho, today's Sunday. Sunday the 21st, I think it is. Sunday the 21st. But anyways, that's the shelter behind me. But we ain't gonna go there. Went to an interview on Wednesday or Thursday. Oh, excuse me. For Burger King, I think it was. Yeah, Burger King. And I heard back from them on Friday. And he told me that he's gonna give me a call on Monday to set up a hire date. So it looks like I'm gonna be working at Burger King. Whoa. I worked at Burger King when I was living with my brother. When I was living with my brother and his family in Missouri. I think I already told you guys or something. I don't remember. But I won't know. I think I'm not going to know anybody there, so which is a good thing. Then I could start saving my money. Sorry. It's hot. I'm tired. I'm just like, But anyways, I'm gonna once I start getting paychecks. Yes, I have my Dr. Pepper shirt on. Start saving my money like mad so I can get the heck out of here. So I wrote down on my to-do list every day to make a video every day for you guys, for all you wonderful subscribers, and hopefully all the new ones I'm going to get that's still hanging around. Hopefully, please subscribe, please like, because we're all on this journey together, trying to get my life together, save up money, get my own place. Then I can take you guys around my apartment. I'm on a studio apartment because it's just going to be me, myself, and I. Me, my ex-husband, friend, decided that he's going to get his own place. Excuse me. I'm going to get my own place. It's going to be better. But anyways, so yeah. Tomorrow I should find out when my start date is. And all that wonderful stuff. I do have more interviews. I have 2 of them tomorrow I'm supposed to go to. One for, what is that one for? Famous Dave's, I think it is. The other one, well, the Famous Dave's one, I think it's at 3, I think. The other one, oh gosh, I don't remember what the name of it is. It's at 4. And then there's the other one I was supposed to go to Friday. but I called and canceled because I wasn't feeling too good. So, and he wanted me to, he's like, hey, can we reschedule? And I was like, okay, well, since he wants me to reschedule, I'll go ahead and do it. I said, yeah, okay, that's fine. So Thursday at 4 o'clock, I go up to, that one is pro sports, kids, pro sports, adults, or something like that. But it's only for like 4 to 10 hours a week for just the summer, just to help, be a cashier and blah, 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 blah. So if I'm able to go there to that interview, I am going to let him know that, hey, I do have a job. If you can work, around this schedule at Burger King, you got it, dude. I'll work you just to get a little bit more income coming in. Then what I can probably do is I can only maybe take maybe $50 to $100 out of my Burger King checks, and then live off of that and the small check I will get at the pro sports place until, then I can start saving some real money. And then if I get the job there at pro sports too, then, that's only for the summer. So only probably about another month, maybe. I don't know. But if he decides to keep me on until January, but okay, you're going to have to work around McDonald's. I'm going to say, okay. And I'll work 4 to 10 hours there. And like I said, I'll take $100 out of each paycheck of Burger King. The rest of it will go into my credit union that I opened up. And then I'll live off of that $100 plus whatever I make at the pro sports thing. So, and like I was saying earlier, okay, I need to stop yawning. I need to wake up. But like I was saying earlier, that on my to-do list, I have like a to-do list for every single day. And I had put making videos for you guys every single day. So I'm like, I could go for that, but it's just like, today was like, what was that? I don't know. But anyways, when I was looking to see how many people I had subscribed so far, I have 1,020 subscribers. So I'm like, okay, the more subscribers I get, I was like, I'm gonna definitely make sure that I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna definitely, fingers crossed, start making videos. Even if I have to do 2 videos a day, you know what I'm saying, to get a video out every day, I could do that, because after this video, if I could do another video for tomorrow, then I don't have to really, then tomorrow I can do 2 more for like Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Tuesday I can do 2 more for, if I have stuff to do. If not, then I'll have to do them the day of and then just post it. But I want you guys to hold me accountable, because if you want to see, you ASMR people that joined this channel for ASMR, hold me accountable, because you may start seeing some ASMR videos popping up. So I'm not monetized, but I have to. I did get over 1,000. I did get 1,000 subscribers, so that was marked off the checklist. Now I have to get my watch time going. So if you all could start watching and giving a thumbs up and, all that wonderful stuff, and, the more y'all help me keep accountable, saying, hey, yo, Tammie, if you're not going to give out a homeless video, put out an ASMR video. You know, and then we all could be like, yeah, all right. Because when I get my place, I'm definitely gonna I'm gonna sit down and be like, okay, for those people that stuck with me for those ASMR videos that want me to kick some more butt to put some out, when I get my own place, you betcha I'm gonna put out at least 2 maybe to start off with. 1 to 2 a week. And then, you know, we'll go from there. But it's still good, you know. I'll start putting that ASMR stuff back in there. Just for you guys. Oh, yeah. Ooh, ooh. For you guys. Yep. Because I know, y'all know I love y'all. So, but I might do when we get, me and my roommate, he's not a roommate, he's my friend, he's my ex-husband. When we get over there to Yolks, because I think we're just going to go for a slice of pizza and something to drink. I might show, do like a little clip of it and put it on a short or something. I need to start doing shorts again. Who wants to see shorts? Maybe ASMR shorts? If you guys want to see ASMR shorts, let me know. If you want to see an ASMR video, say ASMR video. Otherwise, I'm gonna maybe just start doing some more, like just my homeless videos. But if you're new to this channel, I started out doing ASMR. You can ask some of the people that's been hanging out with me since day one how they like me doing ASMR. So I'm gonna have to get some more stuff for ASMR. So, oh yeah, I still got to show you what I gotten. Where's it at? I'm trying to think where it's at. Okay, I think I know where some of it's at, so I can at least show you something. But anyways, what time is it? 3:35. Okay, I might go ahead and sign off now and maybe do another video. I don't know. So, I want to put this video up too, but we'll see. Okay? Okay. I'll see y'all later. Comment down below what kind of homeless video you want me to do. ASMR video you want me to do. There's a lot of places that I could probably go to. If you want me to do a Q&A, maybe I could put a poll, maybe I can put, something in the community thing, tab thing, and you guys can ask me some questions there, and maybe one day I could do a Q&A. So, yeah, let me know down in the comments below what y'all want me to do, and I will try to do it to the best of my ability. Bye.